Hey guys, today I got my Jeffree Star Valentine's Day mystery box. Here's the thing, I ordered two of them. I ordered the Supreme and the Deluxe. And today I received the Supreme. The Deluxe is still not here. So if I get it by the time that I go to post this, I will include the Deluxe in it. If not, and it's not in here, then you can know that my two boxes I ordered came at two different times and the shipping was confusing and messy and didn't arrive. And before we pop this open, I am going to talk a little bit about that. So I ordered my Supreme and Deluxe, obviously the day it came out, because they all sold out within what, like a half hour, 45 minutes. I will say I did not get a shipping confirmation for this box until yesterday, which at this point was Thursday the 6th. And the thing about that is that I ordered it, right, as soon as it came out, didn't get confirmation till the 6th. Tracking still said that it was not even leaving California yet. However, it arrived at my doorstep today, and the Deluxe now I got today says that it's shipped this morning from California. Tracking says it's still in California, so maybe it'll arrive tomorrow at my doorstep. I don't know, but something with the shipping is a little messy and confusing. I'm glad I didn't pay rush shipping, because I did see here on YouTube that some people paid rush shipping and it was never rushed, and other people were getting theirs beforehand. So that's a little messy, but we are going to open it up. I'm going to track everything inside and see what we get and if it's worth it. The Supreme box retails for $145, but it says it's a $285 value. There are 12 items in here and 5 are supposed to be exclusives. So we will open them up and see how it goes. As I open this, I will say I did see some sneak peeks. I just couldn't avoid it. However, I saw more sneak peeks for the Deluxe than the Supreme. So I am kind of glad that I got the Supreme first and I get to record this one, because I am going to be more surprised at some of the items, especially the makeup stuff. I really tried to not look at it. So it's open. We are about to pop in. The first thing that I see is the Valentine's Day themed. This is a tote bag. Here's the thing, he made a sweatshirt of this kind of theming. I actually super love the hoodie. There's something about these candy hearts that I just think are so cute. And from what I saw, the Deluxe box has this as a t-shirt, so I'm really pumped about that. And as much as, you know, this is an exclusive item with the bag, for me, I live actually in a town where there's ordinances that they don't use plastic shopping bags anymore, so you have to bring bags with you when you go shopping where I live. So I will actually get use out of this. I like this. This is really cute. That's the first item. Next, I see, I'm actually excited about this because I have not seen this color yet. This is one of the side bags, the side totes. I'm gonna open it up. I actually really like this coloring. I like that it's darker. It's one of those kind of nylon side bags. I do really like that coloring. I'm vibing off that. And I think it's because right now it kind of matches my hair and my shirt. So I'm kind of into it. I'm digging it. I like it. Will I use it all the time? No, but as far as an exclusive item goes, I actually really like it. I actually like that it's showing up brighter on camera, but it's a really kind of dark burgundy wine color, and I'm into it. Okay, those are the first two things that I saw that weren't wrapped in tissue paper. So we're gonna go into this item right here and unwrap. I have a feeling it's a highlight palette, but I've seen people getting different ones, so I don't know which one. Okay, I don't have this. This is the Brain Freeze palette. I'm going to open it up. I've seen pictures of different palettes, and there was one I saw that looked like it would be much better for darker skin tones. And if I find something that I'm not gonna be able to use, wow, this feels really nice, I will give it away. Okay. It has the plastic over it. There we go. Okay, so this, I think this is the Jawbreaker Release collection. This actually looks super cute. I'm not going to swatch it because I want to see what else I get before I put my fingers in it to see if there's something I can give away or give to a friend or something like that. So this is this big, huge palette. Again, I'm going to look up the prices of things and kind of make sure that we get what our value is, right? Next, I'm pretty sure I have a really great idea what this is, and I'm actually really excited about it. It's the Blue Blood palette. I do not own this. I don't own any of his blood palettes. Okay. I love it. I do have the Conspiracy palette, so I'm used to this casing. However, here's why I like this. As much as I feel like I'm not going to use it very much, blue is the color of the year, and I'm excited that I kind of, even though obviously I paid for the box, it feels like I didn't because I didn't choose to buy it, so I feel like I got it for free. I know I didn't. I know it's stupid, but the fact that I get to now just try this, I'm like really kind of excited. There's actually more neutrals in here than I thought, and ooh, I'm really excited about this Ocean Ice color. Blue color, it's really pretty. So yay, okay, I am pumped about that. Okay, next I see a pop socket. I do have a pop socket already, however this one, that pink and white color, is super cute. I love having extras. You never know when you're gonna need it. It's probably listed as one of the exclusives. I'm gonna have to figure all that out. Now we get into the good stuff, because if you can see within the box, and we'll see if I can pick it up, what's left looks like makeup and a mirror. And the thing is I don't have any of his mirrors. So first I'll do the makeup. I'm gonna do the mirror for last because I don't know which one it's gonna be. Okay, here we go, the gloss. This is in the shade Ice Cold. This is in the shade Ice Cold. I'm really excited about that. I wanted to get the Shane Gloss and Gloss. Obviously it was sold out. It's just a really translucent iridescent shimmer, if you can see it. Super pretty, as it seems like it would be a topper. Next is another gloss. This is Valentine's Day theme. I'm really excited about that. We're gonna pop this one open too and see what color it is. I wonder if this is listed as an exclusive. I really did not pay much attention to the spoilers for the Supreme boxes because I don't want everything to be ruined, you know? So it seemed like people got their deluxe boxes first. There we go with our purple. This is super purple. So this is similar to the first one, except it really does have that purple tint to it, and it would look, oh, I think it's gonna look really pretty. I already have gloss on, but okay, we have 3 other lipstick items, it looks like, and this, before I get into lipstick, I've wanted one of the lip scrubs for the longest time. I have not purchased any of them. Which one is this? Let me see which flavor. This is in the flavor Mojito. I'm super excited about this. Oh, it's like a sugar lip scrub, and I've been using one that I got just off the rack at Ulta, and you know, it works, but I'm so pumped about this. I was really, really happy. I did see a spoiler that there might be a lip scrub in it, and I was really pumped about it. So there's that. Okay, now we still have, before we get to the mirror, I still have 3 lips. Let's see. And it says, Can't Relate, Mistletoe, and Blow Pony. So we are gonna open these up. Are they all velour liquid lips? They're all velour liquid lipsticks, and I have to say, I've tried a lot. I've tried the Kylie kind, I've tried Anastasia, multiple different types of velour liquid lips, and my gosh, his really are the best. Wow, okay. Can't Relate. This is gorgeous. If you can see all the sparkle, the whole thing is sparkle. How is this? The whole container is sparkle. Okay, but then the coloring, this is something I would 100% wear every single day. Look at that. It's really, really pretty. I will wear this, so that is totally worth it. Let's see the next one. The next one is Mistletoe. This is probably from obviously Christmas, and it's gonna be a green, guarantee it, yeah. However, what I really do love about his liquid lips are that you can actually use them on your eyes and anywhere on your face. So it can be used, wow. It can be used on the eye. That green, that'd be perfect for March, St. Patrick's Day. That's really, really fun. I'm just really super into that. And then that last one looks like another purpley color. It is, it's this lavender. This is gonna be so pretty on the eyes. I wonder how it would look on the lips a little bit with a little bit of an ombre effect. It looks really pigmented. Let's try it right down here. Wow. Okay. That is really super pretty. Wow, that purple is so nice. I really actually love all the liquid lips. I probably won't ever use the green on my lips, but I'm really into it for the eyes. The very last thing in here is the mirror. Okay, it says right on here, baby pink chrome. I'm gonna get scissors and open it and see what that looks like. I think it must be the exclusive, the new Jeffree Star approved ones, not just the Star. Here we go. Okay. Look at that, okay. Super cute. You guys wanna see yourselves? See if you can see the camera. There you are, hi, how are ya? Look at that, super, super cute. Oh my gosh, I like it. It's really big too. I think it's bigger than the Star one. I like this a lot because I hold my Tati palette a lot as my mirror, and the thing that I love about it is the mirror is wonderful, but it's heavy. So after a while that gets really heavy. This feels lighter, so this is really nice. So we are gonna add everything up for the Supreme box. I am actually very happy. Multiple lipsticks, 2 glosses, a velour lip scrub. We got a eyeshadow palette, a highlight palette, a full mirror, 2 different bags, and what did I miss? The pop socket. So we're gonna see what 12 things were, what the exclusives were, add it up and see if it was a value of $285. I added up all 12 items and also figured out what the exclusives were. So I will do the non-exclusives first. So we have the palette, the Blue Blood palette that originally goes for $52. The lip scrub in Mojito, which usually goes for $12. The gloss in Ice Cold, which goes for $18. 3 velour liquid lips, and each of these are $18. So Blow Pony, Mistletoe, and Can't Relate. I'm super excited about Can't Relate. So those 3. The Brain Freeze Highlight Palette, Skin Frost Palette, this goes for $40. Now we have the 5 exclusive items, and what makes them exclusive is we have the gloss, which the gloss typically goes for $18, so we're gonna say that this would be worth $18 as well, so we have that one. We also got a mirror. The mirrors typically go, these ones for $30. So what makes it exclusive is the coloring and the chrome, so it's different than the ones that were available to purchase, so it's listed as an exclusive. The same goes for the Jeffree Star side bag. These go for $35. This color is not available, so the color made it an exclusive. The last 2 exclusives are the Pop Socket and the Valentine's Day Hearts bag. I added everything up that I could total. The only 2 things that didn't really have a price tag were these. So everything else totaled up to $259. It says the value is $285. So if you do the difference, that's a $26 difference. That would cover both of these items, making them about each $13 if you split them either way. So I guess that's the pricing on these. That is all 12 items in the Supreme mystery box from Jeffree Star for Valentine's Day. I think there are actually a lot lot of things that I like in this collection. I love that I finally got a mirror. I did do the mystery box in December and was hoping for a mirror, did not get one. I did not already own any of the items that I got, so for me, I'm very happy. I'm excited about the Blue Blood palette. I will be trying that out. I may give away the Brain Freeze highlight palette. I don't know until I get my deluxe box in. I love the Velour liquid lips. I love both glosses. The lip scrub I'm so excited about. I actually do like the maroon wine colored taupe. I'm into that. So all in all, I'm happy with the box, the Supreme box. If I do get the deluxe box, I will insert that unboxing right here. If it does not come in time for me to post this, then I will say thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, if you're into these unboxings, would you go ahead and hit the like button? If you loved this and you just enjoy hanging out with me, hit the subscribe button, because as things come up, if you're subscribed, you get to know about them first and you don't miss anything, and it's just a really good time. So go ahead and subscribe, like, comment down below what out of these 12 items were your favorite. Does anyone own the Blue Blood palette? How do you like it? Have you used it? I'm really interested in that one. And